what this Triumph TF250X is all about. Very exciting. Straight into a couple of laps. Wow, she revs a lot. Take him through the range, see how much it's got at the top, third gear. Wow. Quite impressed with third gear around the corners. Here, third gear. Plenty of front brake, see what the feel. What I'm noticing is the front end feel. Even when it's slick, it sticks really well on the front wheel. Feels extremely light as well. Obviously I'm used to 450, but I can turn the bike in. Straight away I felt that. I can put the bike in really well. Open it up, keeps going, tight line. So just hop on a bike and feel comfortable is quite rare, so. Enjoying it a lot. Right, let's push it a bit more, second lap in. KYB took that well. Wow, flat landing, no problem. Front brakes, unbelievable. Both brakes really nice. You don't even feel the landing, it's so plush. The really flat corners is where this feels so comfortable. Let's let it go. So forgiving actually, very comfortable. Right, let's give it a good lap this time, less talking. Let's go for speed. the front end is crazy. Right, let's call it a lap. Yeah, you can hammer the front brake in, even on the slick spots. It turns on a dime. I'd say a bit more forgiving on the chassis actually, compared to most, like a little bit more flex maybe. The landings feel so cushioned.